Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are we all feeling the sweet love of Valentine's approaching? Well, I know I definitely am. So our anniversary was earlier this month, so we're still in celebration mode. And then of course, Valentine's Day is fast approaching. So I have another haul for you guys. This time I have a haul from Flying Tiger, or just Tiger. That's what I will call it throughout this video, Tiger. This haul I didn't actually do in person myself. I was on FaceTime. So Tash went into Tiger and saw that they had loads of cute Valentine's Day items and called me. So I was on FaceTime with her, picking out items. So this is a bit of a collaboration video, but yes, let me get straight on into this haul and show you everything that we picked up this time from Tiger. So as you can see behind me, I've kind of decorated for Valentine's Day already, and then I don't know if you can see on that shelf, I've got some Chinese New Year things out as well, because I decorate for both at the same time, and being that the theme is both red, it's perfect. Firstly, I'll show you these cups that we got. So they say you and me. One's in blue and one's in pink. And they are really tiny and really cute. I wasn't someone that was really keen on smaller mugs, but I must say they've been appealing to me more and more lately. I'll open them up and show you guys what they look like. And you know, I love any kind of mug or cup I'm a sucker for. So I definitely was like, get these in. Oh my God, they are Diddy. They're so cute. Okay, so this one's blue and it says me. Oh, and then this one's pink and says you with love hearts all over. Oh, I did not realize that they were so small. I don't know what we're gonna do with them now. They're kind of like shop mugs. They are adorable. Really loving these. And then they have the opposite color on the inside. That was definitely starting off strong. I love that. The next item we have is this Lego rose, or a similar concept to Lego, but it's build your own flower. So this is what it comes with, and I guess you just pop these shapes out and then slot them in together to create your own rose. A few years ago when I went to Hong Kong, I bought these Lego flowers, but the pieces were really tiny and I don't think I ever got round to completing it, but this one looks a lot easier to do. And I know that Lego themselves have a huge range of Lego flowers, especially around this time of the year. So I would love to get my hands on some of those actually, some of the actual Lego ones. But I thought this is also a really lovely idea. And I'm really keen on things that you can make and create yourself. And then following on to something else that is quite creative is this heart-shaped canvas and easel. And of course we didn't just get one of these, we got two. And this is something that could be a really lovely date night activity, Valentine's Day or whenever, but I thought this is something that we could decorate and then just put them out as a Valentine's Day decoration every year. We then got this red heart-shaped dish, which is ceramic. And of course the purpose or the use for this is endless. You could put whatever in here. And I believe they had different sizes of these as well. I think they had a bigger one and a smaller one, if I'm correct. I wasn't in the shop, so I cannot say for sure, but I really liked this size. I've seen for a little while now when I've gone into Tiger that they've had these little grow your own tins. And this one is a clover, which I thought was really sweet. And it says, will you be my lucky one? And then I believe you throw the contents into the tin, add water, and then leave it to grow. I'm not really sure, but I'm really excited to grow my own lucky clover. And then, like I said, I have decorated for Valentine's Day already. I may still put out a few more decorations. If not, this is something I can just put down for next year. We've got this heart-shaped hanging decoration. It doesn't actually say how many come in the pack, but I assume it's more than one piece. We also got a heart-shaped garland, a 6-pack of heart balloons, pink and then clear with pink and red confetti. And because we are really arty and creative, it's always handy having little things like this. So she picked up this really pretty fabric ribbon. It kind of reminds me of like a shoelace covered in hearts. And then lastly, she picked up some more ribbon, and this one is velvety red hearts. That's everything that's in my Tiger haul. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, then please make sure to do so. And of course, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.